so problematic on a lot of fronts. Yeah, I don't even remember it. I don't remember anything about this, in fact. Which kind of makes me a little bit happy. Running Bear. Yeah, I mean, as soon as you start off with Indian Maiden, Little White Dove, not to be confused with Stevie Nicks' White Winged Dove. Phil, do you remember this song? Like, is that something? Because I have no idea. I can't even put like a voice to Johnny Preston. If I'm being totally honest. In history, what is Bunker Hunt's favorite precious metal? What is Bunker Hunt's favorite precious metal? Don't even know who or what Bunker Hunt is. It's so long ago, Phil. I imagine. Chosen's got to go find it now. Like, all right. Copper, silver. You Googled the song, definitely racist. Why does that not surprise me? Copper, silver, gold. All right, we've covered the big three. Malabendim. Malabendim. Black Sabbath, the most precious metal. Antimatter. I'm digging it. Yeah, I know that. So it was silver. I still don't know who Bunker Hunt is. I know who Ethan Hunt is. I don't know who Bunker Hunt is. Frankincense and myrrh. You're trying to remember if the Hunt brothers went to jail or not? They tried to scam the silver market. Oh, okay. I'll throw that educational tag up right now. Art and literature. What American poet wrote, "Good fences make good neighbors"? Blinky blinkies. Toe Jam Bob. Thank you for the follow, man. I appreciate that. How are you doing tonight? Welcome to the Looney Bin. Twain? No, see, that's what I thought. Whitman? No. I'm really surprised. I gotta be honest. Yeah, Fan got it. Fan got it. Moves Phil Movington. Mending well. Yeah, there you go. Stephen King. Oh my God, I would love Stephen King's version of that. Again, I just want him to remake Harry Potter. I've said this before. I want Stephen King to remake Harry Potter. I really do. I'll tell you this, in his version, Defense of the Dark Arts is going to have a lot more importance. You must have only rolled through on the train in the past. Thought you'd followed. Glad you followed now. Happy to have you. You have to send... Oh, is it really that bad, Chosen? I have a feeling it is. Based on Slug's reaction, I will not listen to it on stream. I will listen to it later. But yeah, send me a link. All right, what else we got? It was, by the way, Robert Frost. Oh! Yeah, Yellow Pike. I actually grabbed it and downloaded it. I will send it to you on Discord. Do you think a cross-stitch pattern would be easy to translate into a Lego mosaic? Because that's how I want it to end up, is as a Lego mosaic. Actually, well, I'm literally sitting here thinking about it.